How are you getting on? We're Craig and Darren here back again at 888.
Hello everyone, hope you're enjoying our previous episodes. What's in store this one, Craig? I don't really know what's going to do.
So pretty much, David, we got his subframes into the car.
Yeah.
His engine, all the parts to put the engine into the car came. So the engine's in the car. Now lots more has happened this week, but that's as much as we're going to squeeze into this episode. The lad's also done a bit of a review on the Beetle, the new mod that was done. So that you'll have to wait for Beats at the end of the video.
Well, I haven't even seen that.
Let's get straight into it.
Yeah, go for it.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
So what are you doing here now?
We're getting the fugal of the central.
Fugal of the central, okay. So that means fitting the steering rack to a steering column, is that right, Richard?
That's right, Darren.
On an S15.
There now.
So if you're wondering how to get the subframe and the steering column into an S15, don't watch this video.
Maybe if I took the bolt out,
Yeah.
it might be a little bit easier. Rick, could you pass me a screwdriver, please?
No problem, Dave.
Thanks so much. Right, so this is our first time doing this.
So you're inserting the drive shaft into the fugal, is that what you call it?
Yeah. Right, someone's messing with me here. What's going on?
2 days later.
Okay. Take it off the other end and try to fit it onto that one. And then...
Down here? Yeah. I'm messing everything up really, don't I?
What you do is, right, you get the sugars, you tear the top off, you pour them into the cup while your coffee's filling up, you stir it up, you get one of the little things you call a lid, you put it on it, and then you go, there's a coffee.
Craig, 17 years now you know me, and I've never fucking drank one in my life.
Neither have I, I'm not getting one either.
Get me a can of healthy Diet Coke. Coke Zero. Don't come back here with Diet Coke. And I keep an eye on David battering this into place.
Oh, I just...
It's the fucking actual tray, see it? It's blinds.
Give him the Italian.
Can you go to the meeting up to shop? No.
You're bad influencing him.
You don't?
No. Do it.
He's so grand. I'm actually technically in charge.
Well, that bolt off there. Doesn't matter what way they go around. I don't know.
So what's the process here now, Richard?
Process is the process, and we're doing the process.
So how's the process?
Just processing along nicely.
I'm going to say it's a bit of Scotch work you're doing.
Might be.
Because you won't give us a proper answer.
No.
Rick, you missed a bit down along the side there.
No, Rick, look at this, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? You can do it with either hand.
Rick, you show us how you do
I've
it.
done it like that before.
You do it.
Oh, I don't know how.
Rick!
Come on, Rick.
Wait, will he go away with that? Flipping camera. Yeah, so guys, today we're just finishing up on prepping the E46 on the group build that nobody has helped other than me and Robert. And a little bit, David, sorry. But,
A little bit. You wouldn't be saying the primer now, wasn't me?
Primer
and the primer.
And that's where we're at. Over.
So, Craig, explain now what we're doing to people.
So here now, we're going to go live on 888 Competitions Facebook page. We do this usually before a draw if there's tickets still remaining, just to kind of show people around the car, tell people that there's that many tickets left. So there's less than 600 tickets sold for the car out of 1250. So we're literally just going on now just to tell people that there's still loads of tickets remaining, so they're going to have a brilliant chance of taking the car home tomorrow. That's what we're doing now.
Hello,
Sean,
how's it going?
how are you getting on?
Not too bad, you?
Yeah, I was waiting for you to call me back there.
I fucking completely forgot.
Okay.
You were looking for... What was it?
I was looking for the E46 parts.
E46 parts?
Yeah. The
no E46 parts.
yeah, I think you do actually.
Do I?
think you have a full car. Because I'm Darren here from AAA Competitions.
Oh my fuck. Serious?
I swear to God, me man.
Are you actually? I just won the Pandem. Oh man, you have made my fucking week.
Oh, delighted, hey.
Oh man.
Jeez, were you...
Holy
Normally...
fucking hell. You
Normally...
got guard there, bud.
Come on, you're alright. Straighten over that now. That'll do it there, yeah? Lovely. So, Craig, you explain now what you're up to.
So Sean Whelan from County Waterford, he's after winning our E46 M3. We're just giving it a quick polish before he comes to take the car. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon of a Monday morning, or Monday afternoon. And he's coming to get the car now at 4. So we're just kind of tidying it up.
Have it ready for him.
Quick polish, having it clean for him.
Yeah.
So that's the plan now.
That's it. We only called him yesterday. Probably on this video anyway, we'll be showing how we do our draws, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So
Sean's reaction as well, I think was pretty good as well.
oh, it's brilliant. We'd ring everyone when we obviously to let them know.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think Sean's was one of the best, wasn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
He's happy with it. He sounds like a man that's going to keep it.
You wouldn't know that.
I know.
We've heard people are going to keep cars, and the next thing you know, they're for sale.
I know, yeah.
Look, at the end of the day, it's his car. He can do what he wants
Exactly,
with it.
yeah.
But if it was my car, I'd definitely be keeping it.
Yeah.
What a car it is.
But your Hebe here. So that's it. It's as easy as that. Jump on, grab a ticket for cars that we have up. Sean's just out of pulling out now with his new M3 that stands him €20. Not bad.
David's been busy getting his powder coat. Oh, here we go again. Jesus, right on time he seems to be every day. Jeez, there he is.
It's that time of the week.
What have we got today?
Have a bit of stuff. Doesn't look like much.
I was gonna say, yeah.
But this is a very important piece. I had another quick look now, I'm not gonna lie.
You're some man for the quick looks.
I know, you know yourself.
You had a lot of bubble wrap.
I got a lot of bubble wrap. I have one of them open. I'll show you the one I had open.
Okay, show us what you have open.
This is a gearbox mount from Toll Factory in America.
So this is to get the engine into the car.
This is basically to put everything in, yeah.
Happy days, this is the one you've been waiting for.
Oh, we've been waiting ages. This is another special piece. New stump. Who's this?
It looks like very like the one. Geez, that would be a nice sink, wouldn't it? Would be a nice sink.
Geez, maybe I'll put the golf one into the car.
Put the golf with it. That is nice.
It actually fucking fits well, doesn't it?
That is ideal.
Also says it was tested. It could have been tested for tap water, I don't know. I'm not too sure. But yeah, that's the delivery for today.
Yeah, happy days.
You're not going to see any of it, but again, it's going to look good.
We are gathered here tonight to create love through the medium of music.
What do you think, Rick?
Man, Gary!
Only for Rick. Only for Rick. It wouldn't have been in.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what I done, but I got it done.
Rick took the dipstick out.
That was actually Robert.
Oh, that was Robert, yeah. The dipstick doesn't fit anymore because it's a new sump. So that's us logging off. It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I'm just finished working.
Just
I'm
finished
Beamer
working.
At 3. Well, I finished at 2:30.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I stopped working on it as well.
Yeah.
I stopped working on my own car about 9 just to help Rick until 3.
Yeah.
Just to get it done for brother Darren. Yeah, there's the Beetle anyway. New wheels. Who's this? The E46.
Okay. Yeah, I see Bingo Lad has a new mod done to the Beetle as well. It's now a lot of people wouldn't like it, but it's
Man, Gary.
it's Rick mod. That's cousin Richard there in the Beetle. Oh, battery's low. Fire up there, Rick.
I can't, it won't start. Bad joke. I mean, a good joke.
It's only had to get in the new LSX and a 600 horsepower.
It's a shame we can't show you today.
Yeah, well, I can show you, but it's mad because they put a rear engine cover on to make it look like a Beetle engine, which I thought was very smart. There's 4 cylinders there, and then the other 4 cylinders are in the front.
Can I just point out one thing in the Beetle that maybe nobody has ever seen?
What?
Check out the pedals that look like little feet.
They're like little. Do you remember the ice creams, the Freaky Foots?
Yeah, they're cute. That really doesn't do much. Either does this. That kind of works.
Well, that one there does the fucking 58 horsepower.
Yeah, I suppose this is called the fast pedal.
Well, it's called the fast pedal in any normal cars.
Yeah.
So that's all from Rick and Dave's car spotting episode. Tune in next week for more. Say bye, Rick.
Bye, Rick.
So that's it for another episode, okay?
Yeah. Thanks everyone for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed. Obviously, we're just getting used to things. Yeah. There's a few things that we're trying to do, and it's a bit difficult. So like as we're doing our videos, we're having a lot of crack in them. We're learning, but we're not really recording a lot of what we're actually doing. Yeah. It's a sort of thing where we're getting have to get used to picking up the camera, and, you know. So
because they're missing a lot of stuff. Like I'm sure every time you look at this and you see the cars that are just been behind us, we have to start doing reviews on some of the stuff we have. Yeah.
So that's pretty much what we're asking is just leave a comment below what you think we could improve on. We want the criticism. So the criticism is good sometimes, as long as
it's nice criticism.
Nice criticism, yeah. So thanks for watching.
Yeah. Sorry, look at it. Hey, not playing. Oh, whoa.
So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, share the video around. Leave us a comment as I said. Yeah. Thanks very much.
Talk to you next time.